Do you ever sit down to work and find your mind wandering all over the place? You are not alone. In today's busy world, distractions are everywhere and staying focused feels almost impossible. The good news is your focus is like a muscle. With the right habits, you can train your brain to concentrate deeply and clearly. In this video, we are going to explore 7 scientifically proven ways to develop laser sharp focus that really work and can make a huge difference in your productivity. Trick number 1: practice single tasking. Multitasking feels productive, but studies from Stanford University show it actually lowers efficiency and brain performance. Instead, pick one task and immerse yourself fully. Your brain, like a magnifying glass, becomes sharper when it channels energy into one point. Second trick: use the Pomodoro Technique. Break your work into 25-minute sprints with 5-minute breaks. The research shows this method reduces mental fatigue and keeps attention fresh. Short bursts prevent the brain from slipping into autopilot. Third trick: train with mindfulness meditation. Friends, mindfulness literally rewires your brain. Harvard research found that just 8 weeks of mindfulness practice increases gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for focus and decision making. A few minutes daily can dramatically improve concentration. Trick number 4: optimize sleep. Lack of sleep impairs hippocampus, the memory hub of the brain. Consistent 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep strengthens attention, creativity, and problem solving. Think of sleep as the reset button for your mind. Now comes the trick number 5: fuel your brain right. What you eat directly affects focus. Omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts and fatty fish enhance cognitive performance. Even simple hydration boosts alertness, since mild dehydration can reduce focus by up to 20%. Sixth trick: manage digital distractions. Friends, every ping from your phone steals precious seconds of attention. Neuroscientists call this attention residue. Keep your phone away during deep work sessions or use apps like Freedom to block distractions. And the last one, number 7, exercise regularly. Aerobic exercise increases blood flow to the brain and releases brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), often called miracle grow for the brain. A 20-minute brisk walk can heighten focus for hours. Friends, laser sharp focus is not about willpower alone. It's about training your brain through daily habits backed by science. Try practicing even 2 of these strategies today, and you will notice your mind feels clearer, sharper, and more powerful. Thank you for watching.